In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo and redo actions in Elementor, a popular page builder for WordPress. Whether you're editing text, changing styles, or moving widgets around, having the ability to quickly undo or redo your changes is an essential part of maintaining a smooth workflow. Let's dive into this simple yet crucial feature to enhance your productivity when using Elementor. Imagine you've just made a change to your web page within Elementor. Edit the text of a heading, for example, or adjust the color scheme of your section, and suddenly realize it's not quite what you wanted. What you need is a quick and easy way to reverse that action. Thankfully, Elementor provides us with just the right tools. If you're working on a Windows computer, the quickest way to undo your last change is to press Ctrl and Z together. For those of you on a Mac, it'll be CMD and Z. This is your immediate go-to to step back through your recent actions, whether you've modified text, restyled your page, or repositioned widgets. It's like magic. The content reverts to its previous state, so that you're always in control of your design iterations. From time to time, though, you might undo an action only to realize that you actually liked it better the first way. No worries, because Elementor also allows you to redo any undone action with similar ease. If undoing was a misstep and you want to restore your change, simply utilize Ctrl, Shift, and Z simultaneously if you're on Windows, or CMD, Shift, and Z if you're on a Mac. This functionality can save you considerable time and hassle because you won't need to recreate the effort just to get back to where you started. It's important to note that these keyboard shortcuts aren't just for big changes. They're incredibly useful for tracking small, detailed modifications too. Every text change, style adjustment, and element reposition is documented within your editing session. This means you can freely experiment, knowing that you can always back up and move forward, maintaining a flexible and stress-free editing environment. Just remember, consistency and practice will make using these shortcuts second nature. This capability is especially handy during those particularly creative sessions that involve experimenting with multiple ideas. By allowing yourself to focus on creativity instead of worrying about making mistakes, your editing process will be more enjoyable and efficient. These undo and redo actions are part of what makes working with Elementor so user-friendly, aiding both beginners and advanced users in refining their web designs effortlessly. So go ahead, give those shortcuts a try on your next project, and watch as your editing process becomes smoother and more intuitive. That's all for today's video on mastering the undo and redo tools in Elementor. Happy editing!